Aramco completes its Valvoline acquisition and FlyDubai sees record 2022 profit. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Aramco has completed its acquisition of Valvoline Global Operations for $2.65 billion through one of its wholly owned subsidiaries. With this acquisition, Aramco accelerates its aim to become one of the world's preeminent integrated branded lubricants players. Aramco will now own the Valvoline brand with respect to the products business, and Valvoline will own the Valvoline brand with respect to its retail services business. The acquisition builds on Aramco's growing presence in the premium branded lubricants market space. French energy giant Total Energies has acquired the stakes of Spanish oil company Cepsa in upstream assets in the UAE. These include offshore fields majority owned by ADNOC. The assets acquired include Cepsa's 20% interest in Sarb, Lulu, Bin Nasher, and Al Batil offshore concessions. ADNOC owns a 60% interest in Sarb and Lulu concession, which include two major offshore fields operated by ADNOC Offshore. The companies didn't disclose the value of the transaction, which took place on January 1st. Saudi's national shipping company Bahri has signed a non-binding MOU with Egypt's Suez Canal Authority to establish an Egyptian joint stock company for maritime transport. It will specialize in owning, leasing, chartering, and operating vessels to transport various cargoes. The Suez Canal Authority is Egypt's state-owned company that manages, operates, and maintains the canal. In December, the Suez Canal was declared as open to foreign investment, but foreigners would have no control over the waterway. FlyDubai saw a record 2022 profit of $327 million. It's a 43% rise over 2021. Total annual revenue rose 72% to reach $2.5 billion compared to $1.4 billion in 2021. FlyDubai carried 10.6 million passengers in 2022, an 89% rise year on year. FlyDubai took delivery of 17 new aircraft and hired 1,300 employees last year. China's seaborne imports of Russian oil are set to hit a record this month after refiners took advantage of cheap prices as domestic fuel demand rebounded. Hefty Chinese buying alongside robust Indian demand has been spurred by steep price discounts. It's providing Moscow with much needed revenue. Analysts estimate nearly 43 million barrels of Russian crude oil will reach China in March, a record from the previous high of 42.48 million barrels set in summer 2020. And China has a stunning lead in 37 out of 44 critical and emerging technologies as Western democracies lose a global competition for research output. Those are the findings of the Australian Strategic Policy Institute after tracking defense, space, energy, and biotechnology. The study, funded by the U.S. State Department, found the U.S. was often second ranked, although it led global research in high-performance computing, quantum computing, small satellites, and vaccines. China has established a stunning lead in high-impact research under government programs. And Tesla shares fell more than 5% in after-hours trade following presentations at its Investor Day from its Texas headquarters. Elon Musk presented a vision to turbocharge growth. Musk and a team of executives promised more outsized growth through streamlined manufacturing processes, smart design, and a relentless focus on costs. Analysts had hoped Musk would unveil a design for a vehicle in the $25,000 price range. The only new announcement was plans to build a new EV factory in northern Mexico. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.